So what you're going to do is, when you do fire breathing, you take one hand, keep it on your belly, other hand over your mouth. I'm going to do it first, but, you know, don't let your husbands know that you're busy, so just making sure. Okay, cool. So you're going to breathe in, and breathe out with your nose slow, and then you're going to go faster, so watch. And when you do that, anybody here take yoga and actually has done that before? Yoga class? Okay, cool. So fire breathing actually energizes your body. So let's try that. Ready? Take one hand, put it on your belly. One hand, cover your mouth. Breathe in with your nose, breathe out with your nose, and eventually build it up so that this becomes automatic. Good. Oh, I forgot to tell you, blow your nose before you try this. Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching my videos. Ron Schwally here. Just wanted to say I appreciate you. Feel free to like, subscribe, and click on the bell if you want to see more videos coming your way to be alerted. Just thank you so much, and feel free to share this content with anybody who you think would find some value from this. Have an awesome, joyous, wonderful, breath-filled rest of your day.